Hello, hi friends, myself Alavat Ramesh. Today we will discuss about the Eklavya Model Residential Schools, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, PGT Chemistry syllabus we will discuss about. So from that you can see the recently the notification is came for RMS Residential Eklavya Model Residential School teaching post notifications. From that I can choose only for that science subject like PGT Chemistry. What are the main topics that uh, intermediate levels, what are the graduate level, and from basics of chemistry what are the topics are important to success the PGT chemistry post for the model school. So from that I can uh, go to slide by slide and I will explain that briefly what are the topics of PGT chemistry syllabus. You can see the first one, myself Alavat Ramesh. I did in MSc chemistry from Shatavahana University, MA English and BEd Biological Science, MPhil in Chemistry, PhD pursuing. I am pursuing PhD Chemistry in Chemical Science. Okay, you can see that from now you can PGT Chemistry. You can see that Eklavya Model Residential School Teacher Recruitment 2021 highlights. What are the highlights of important dates? You can just keep in your mind. You can see the organizing. This post is mostly organizing with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The posts are the like some divisions: principal, vice principal, PGT and TGT posters. So total vacancies is the 3,479 vacancies are available, and online registration to start the 1st April 2021. The already it is applications are open, and again the last date of application is the 31st April 2021. So exam date is the first week of June 2021. So category is the teaching jobs. The job location is Eklavya Model Residential School. Total is the 17 states. This school will spread throughout the India. You can see the official website of at the rate of tribalnic.in. You can get you more detailed information about the EMRS. You can see that from that equipments you can see what are the important dates. You can see already we discussed the previous slide. You can see that here official notification release date is the 1st April and the online application start from the 1st April onwards 2021, and last date is the 31st April 2021. The date of successful transitions application fee is the May 1st 2021. So the correction of application again they are giving the 4th to 16th May 2021. The application, if you have any mistakes you can do the corrections. The admit card you can release from the to be notified the soon, and the examination date should be the last week of May or the first week of the June 2021. So from that you can see here the PGT chemistry pattern. You can see that total exam pattern is here. You can see total exam is the objective types. So exam objective type is the 160 marks, and the personality test means like interview is the 40 marks. So oral is the 200 marks, and the exam duration of exam is the 3 hours. Like 3 hours means nothing but 180 minutes. The note here is one important things is just to keep in your mind. Most of the peoples they don't know, they are feeling there is no negative marks, but here in this exam they are having the negative marks. See, 1 marks each one. See, total the 160 marks for entrance exam now. So 1 marks shall be the awarded in every correct answers. 0.25 marks shall be detected, like you can deduct for every incorrect answers. So this point is very important. Just keep in your mind while you are writing the exam, and just will what you know that exactly answers you can keep it. I hope it is a good way, and unnecessary don't lose our marks. Okay, you can see the next one slide. So section, what are the section? Total the paper is the 4 sections is there. First one section, second one, third one and fourth one. So first one sections they are giving the general English 10 marks and the general Hindi 10 marks, and second one section you can see the general knowledge and current affairs 10 marks, and second one topic is like analytical ability 15 marks, numerical ability is 10 marks, computer literacy is 5 marks. The third one section is the teaching aptitude and pedagogy is 20 marks, and the last one is the subject knowledge means like if you apply the PGT chemistry, you apply the mathematics, it is the your subject core subject knowledge is the 80 marks. Okay, so that is the completely you can understood that the 4 sections and various parts, various sections, what are the marks divisions here you can understood. He is just will keep in your mind. See what are the main topics, what are the sections you will for there in our question paper. Okay, you can see go now that especially I was focused in the subject knowledge, like especially in chemistry subject. I am the because I was from chemistry background. You can see that here the fourth one section subject knowledge. So PGT chemistry, the portion they wrote like that, the exam like classes intermediate first year and second year, CBSE unrevised syllabus 2020 to 21 with the difficult level up to the graduation level. So from that you can see the I was given some of the topics from, you can see the CBSE textbook of chemistry class 11th syllabus, 11th class syllabus CBSE. The syllabus, the first year, the intermediate first year, the syllabus consists of 14 units, 14 topics. So from that the first one is the basic concept of chemistry, and second one topic is the structure of atoms, and third one topic is the classification of elements and periodicity in properties, and the fourth one is the chemical bonding and molecular structure. And you can see the fifth one topic is the states of matter, gases and liquid, and sixth one is the thermodynamic, and seventh one is the equilibrium, and the eighth one redox chemistry like a redox reaction, and ninth one is the hydrogen, and 10th one unit is the S block elements, and 11th one some P block elements. And you can see the 12th one organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques, they will ask you some bits from that, and 13th one is the hydrocarbons, and 14th one is the environmental chemistry. From that you can finish our 14 topics from the intermediate first year CBSE syllabus. You can go to the intermediate second year 12th standard CBSE chemistry portion. You can see these syllabuses have somewhat 2 chapters are here, like so total chemistry class 12th syllabus CBSE, the syllabus consists of a total 16 units, like 16 topics. So first one is the solid state, and second one is the solutions, and third one is the electrochemistry, and fourth one is the chemical kinetics, and fifth one is the surface chemistry, and sixth one topic is the general principle and process of isolation of elements, and seventh one is the P block elements, and eighth one is the D and F block elements. You can see the ninth one topic. Ninth one is the coordination compounds. Ninth one is the coordination compound. 10th one is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. And 11th one is the alcohols, phenols and ethers. And 12th one is the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. And 13th one is the amines. And 14th one biomolecules like carbohydrates, protein, lipids, that parts you can see detail. And 15th one polymer, like polymer chemistry, and 16th one chemistry in everyday life. So intermediate first year is the 14 units, and the second year is the 16 units. You can see these are the major topics, CBSE patterns. And you can see the some of, I mentioned here the like graduate level. Graduate level, what are the important topics? Like graduate level syllabus also, they maybe ask you in detail. So you can graduate level, you can see the degree first year and second year in organic chemistry, like an organic chemistry. Third one is the physical chemistry topics. What are the physical chemistry topics? And fourth one, application of computer in chemistry. And fifth one, analytical methods in chemistry molecules. And sixth one is the modeling and drug design. And seventh one is the polymer chemistry. And eighth one is the green chemistry. And ninth one is the analytical chemistry. 10th one is the quantum chemistry and spectroscopy. These are the some higher level, graduate level, they will ask you paper, like no, already they mentioned the high level standard. You can, I hope you can read better to in degree first year and second year, third year chemistry topics briefly, and you can go into like details also. The polymer chemistry and green chemistry, these topics will be mostly revised. And I hope paper is completely objective type only, no? So you can just go these detail of these topics, each and every topics. I hope you will be get more marks, and just will practice a number of bits, and just will basically like problem solving, like physical chemistry they will ask you like problems, quantum problems maybe. And if you like from that I can close. So if you like this video, just click on like button and share and comment. Thanks for watching my video, especially heartful thanks to your patience for to listening my class. And really if you like this video, just like, share, comment, share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. So from that I will suggest you the next video. I will upload you completely that PGT chemistry hypothetical questions. What are the last year what papers? I can have some papers. You can, I will next video I will upload you what are the important topics, from the topics to what are the bits, that hypothetical bits, what are the chances, what are the more chances are there to coming to that like exams. So we can see the next video, hypothetical bits and expectation problems, specialist physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, spectroscopy, especially spectroscopy like IR spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, UV spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, molecular spectroscopies, absorption spectroscopies. So these spectroscopy studies, if you next video, I will upload you some important objective type bits from the spectroscopy, and completely objective type bits I can hypothetical bits I will upload next video. So just to see my videos in the next videos, I will give you some important bits. What are the previous repeated exams, the competitive exams, they are what bits they are asking, those bits I will share you. So if you like this video, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, boys. See you. All the best. All the best to each and everyone. I hope you will understood some PGT chemistry syllabus, what are the syllabus and what is the sections, what are the sections are present in that exam pattern, and what are the dates, important of dates, and what is the last date, what is the, I hope you have some idea about this EMRI PGT chemistry portions. Okay, next video we will meet you soon. The important bits of PGT chemistry, previous model papers, and the hypothetical bits. Okay, all the best, boys. See you. Good luck.